Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Once upon a time, in the blessed city of Medina, there lived a noble and pure-hearted girl named Fatima, the daughter of Imam Hassan alayhi salam, the grandson of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alayhi. She was named after the most beloved woman in Islam, Lady Fatma Zahra alayhi salam, her grandmother. And just like her, this Fatima was full of piety, wisdom and kindness. She was known as Sajjad, the truthful, and later she was lovingly called Abdullah. The names Ali and Fatima held deep love in the hearts of the Ahlul Bayt. That's why so many of the Imams named their sons Ali and their daughters Fatima to honor the legacy of their holy parents. When Fatma bint Hassan grew up, she married her cousin, Imam Ali ibn al-Hussein alayhi salam, also known as Imam Zain al-Abidin. Their marriage was full of respect, love and faith. From this blessed union, a son was born, a bright light in the world, Imam Muhammad Baqir alayhi salam. One morning, Fatma bint Hassan had just finished sweeping the yard. Tired, she leaned against the old wall of a neighbor's house. Suddenly, it shook. Fatma bint Hassan quickly placed her hand on the wall and softly said, "By the right of the Prophet, I command you not to fall." When Imam Sajjad returned and heard what happened, he was so thankful to Allah that he gave 100 silver coins in charity for his wife's safety. He knew this was no ordinary woman. Her dua was answered, her faith was deep. Imam Baqir grew up in the loving arms of a mother whose heart was filled with prayer and trust in Allah. He loved her deeply and respected her greatly. But not all days were easy. When Imam Hussein alayhi salam began his journey to Karbala, Fatma bint Hassan and her son Imam Baqir joined the caravan with their family. Imam Baqir was just 5 years old. He was one of the children of Karbala. He saw the tents. He heard the cries. He witnessed the sacrifices. On the day of Ashura, he watched with wide, tearful eyes as his uncles, brothers, and father's cousins gave their lives. And then, silence. The battlefield was still. After the tragedy, the women and children were taken captive. Fatima, the daughter of Imam Hassan, and her little son were shackled and forced to walk from Karbala to Kufa and then all the way to Syria. Fatima held Imam Baqir close. She wiped his tears. She whispered prayers. She stayed strong because she was the daughter of the Lion of Allah and the granddaughter of the Lady of Light. After the long, painful journey, they finally returned home to Medina. But the pain of Karbala would live in their hearts forever. And from this pain rose a new generation, a generation led by Imam Baqir, raised by a mother whose strength was as firm as a mountain. This was Fatima bint Hassan, a woman of truth, of prayer, and of unshakable faith. A mother, a wife, a survivor, and a silent pillar in the legacy of Karbala. And through her, the light of the Ahlul Bayt continues to shine.